today's episode of Our Garage, we're gonna be turning one of these into one of those.
And this thing is awesome. It's got a gas tank under the hood. It's got 2 seats with seat belts, electric start, 3-speed transmission. This thing is quite literally perfect and basically almost a Cybertruck already. So here's the plan. We're gonna try to scale down the dimensions of the Cybertruck to fit the mini Jeep so we can build a body to make this thing look awesome. We're planning on using a few different materials like this corrugated plastic. We got wood, and my favorite one is super shiny spray paint. I think the first plan of action is to start on the side paneling itself. And I'm thinking we can mount it to the actual Jeep body and start cutting it into the correct shape, but we are gonna have to remove the windshield first.
Oh gosh, this one's rusty. After searching through the entire case, we finally found the right size tool.
I know these AutoZone stickers look pretty sick, but we gotta go. So out with the old, in with the new.
Yeah,
There it is. Honestly, now this looks like one of those old Willy Jeeps without the windshield. I kind of like the look of this.
All right, here we go.
Another piece. Yes. This looks awesome, and I think the disassembly of it is finally complete. And now we can start adding on the new body to make this thing a Tesla Cybertruck. Since we're building a new body to go on this body, we got to figure out how to actually mount to the Jeep body. And we're going to be using this wood. And hopefully we'll be able to screw right to the Jeep body to start building off it to give it that Cybertruck shape.
First cut.
This piece is going to be determining the actual length of the body. Laying it on here is going to be the Cybertruck. Got 2 pieces on. I think we're about halfway done the build.
I don't think Steven's gonna be able to tell the difference between this and a Cybertruck. This nail gun wants to be run at a lot lower pressure than we have in the shop, so hopefully it doesn't just shoot the nail clean through the wood. Yep, that's fine. There's metal there.
Woo! I got sparked. This thing is awesome. That's not going anywhere. I don't know what that nail is to, but it's working. Oh, that didn't work.
All right, the frame is coming along great. Now it's time to test out the material for the paneling.
Cybertrucks are stainless steel, which is almost this shiny. So we have 2 materials. I'm gonna test it on this corrugated stuff and also on the plastic. That's pretty shiny. Test number 2.
Oh, that looks so good.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's all coming together.
I think this is looking great, so we'll probably go with this material over that one. This next step is to actually do the roof line of the Cybertruck. This is gonna be the hardest to get right, to make it look right. So I'm gonna need to run up to the house and take my Cybertruck, bring it down here so we get the dimensions just right. Matt, I got the Cybertruck, I'm coming, let's do this thing, woo! I got the Cybertruck. Now we can take all the measurements we need to make our mini one look perfect. This is the most important measurement, and I think if we line it up just right, how does that look? I think that should be perfect. So we just gotta measure this and lock it in.
Okay, let's do some cuts. shoot, I'm gonna have to cut it this way, which is not the direction our mark goes. That's a little
Run the board this way.
Huh?
You can just run the board this way.
Yeah, duh. I mean, that works. The frame is almost done. I gotta hop in the driver's seat to make sure we're still gonna fit in the truck once it's all said and done. And there you have it. Our frame for the mini Cybertruck is finished. Now we've got to move on to the paneling. So I got to get this body panel on. So I got to leave enough room for the other body panel to fit on here. So just got to give it a little space on that board. And that's not going to work. Where are the nails going?
Putting the first body panel on, I hope this works. It works. No, we just need to do a lot more staples. The body is just about complete, and I am so happy with how this thing turned out. It looks like a Cybertruck. Of course it's white, we still need to add the color to it, but we do need to test drive it and make sure the body is good, there's no wheels rubbing, and it doesn't completely fall apart. I'm so hyped to hop in this thing.
Yeah, I cleaned up pretty nice right there. Not bad.
Time to go for a test drive. Gotta make sure I still fit in this thing. Oh, honestly, yeah, it's a little tight right there. The steering wheel's a little tight. That's okay, you could hold it down here. But we gotta see how this thing drives, because it literally could fall apart and have major issues. It sounds just like a Cybertruck. Dang, hang on. Test drive number 1. Oh, it's working. It is working. Second gear. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh yeah. This thing is fat. Woo. For whatever reason, it just started to pour, and we gotta get the little Cybertruck all the way down into this bay for painting. So we just gotta sit in this thing. This is our little rain umbrella, because if this thing gets wet, we'll have to dry it off before paint, and it's just gonna further delay this project. So
Hop on in.
I guess I gotta just ride it. Oh gosh, undercover.
I don't know how you want to do this.
Yeah, this is kind of funny. Well, we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna steer inside here, but I can't see anything. So Matt's gonna call out directions, and I'm gonna turn the steering wheel, and hopefully we don't crash in anything.
Can you not see anything?
Nothing.
Oh no.
I literally can't see anything.
This is gonna be so
And it's all downhill, so we might pick up some speed.
Yeah, just keep it going at a nice pace.
We're rocking and rolling.
You're on your own right now.
Oh, I literally can't see. I'm driving blind. Left? Slow down. I really hope this is worth it and keeps it dry.
Alright, we're looking good. Keep going, you're looking good.
Oh my gosh, this is literally all I can see. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. This is wild. Oh no! Open the garage door, Matt. Open up the door. We gotta get it in. Oh shoot! Oh, I hit the wrong pedal. Get that door open. Go, go, go. There it is.
Go, 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 go.
Okay, well, that was fun while it lasted, but she's pretty wet. Oh well, we'll just have to dry it off. And luckily for me, the Team House actually came with a professional car painting booth. This is literally for actual cars to give them paint jobs, which makes it perfect to paint the tiny Cybertruck.
Well, the plan to tarp the mini Cybertruck did not work. So first thing we got to do is dry it off.
Now for the funnest part, to add the silver paint. Oh man, I've only done a little bit and it's actually looking amazing. It's so shiny, I can literally see myself in it, which is wild. Silver metal paint is officially done and it looks incredible. It literally has almost a mirror finish, just like the real Cybertruck. Now we're gonna see the mask off the windows, paint that black, and we're done.
All right, so now we've just got to mask out where the windows are on the truck so that we get nice crisp lines between the black and the silver. And we need to paint the truck bed black as well. Okay, so now where the window stops at the back is kind of in line with the front of the wheel. And I'm just gonna line it up based on the lines in the plastic to get it nice and straight. That looks pretty good. And this way, both sides will be symmetrical, which pleases my OCD. So now I'm just putting down plastic so that any overspray doesn't get on our carefully painted silver parts of the body. All right, tape's all done. Now it's time to paint. All right, first section done, and it's already starting to look more like a Cybertruck. Looking at the Cybertruck, that the bottom of the windshield is actually lines up a little further down, so I'm going to move this and touch up the paint. Now that looks a little more proportional.
Now it's time for the grand reveal. Oh yes. This thing is gonna look amazing. It's gonna look just like a real Cybertruck. Yes. I gotta be super careful to make sure these lines come out crisp. We're all done. Time to roll this thing up to surprise Steven. Oh my gosh, this thing is so tiny. Yes, look how cool this thing looks. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, look how similar they are. Yes! I really pulled it up. Now we gotta put this thing to the test. Show Steven that it can off-road and go super fast on the road for a speed test. Here he goes. Oh my God! You gotta hit it extra fast.
Man, this mini Cybertruck is sick. We got this thing up to some crazy speeds on the open road. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to see what we've got planned next, because you're not going to want to miss it.